going to explore some cool and different ways to learn English every day. By the end of this video, you'll have some great ideas to make learning English part of your daily life. I'm Mina and I'm happy to have you here. Greetings to all of you and welcome back to my channel. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, get ready to discover some innovative methods to make your English journey more effective and engaging. Let's dive right in. Imagine turning your English learning into a musical adventure. Create a special playlist featuring your favorite English songs. Listen, sing along, and learn the lyrics. Music is a powerful device. By listening to your favorite tunes, you'll effortlessly memorize new words and phrases. Yeah? This easy method can add even some creativity into your language learning and make your experience even more enjoyable. Okay, now let's think about something more traditional, the reverse learning technique. Do you have any ideas what it is about? That's quite easy. Just to start your day by writing a short diary in English about your experiences from the previous day. As you reflect on your day in English, you'll improve your vocabulary and writing skills. This approach encourages self-expression and daily reflection in English, which definitely help you learn English in a unique way. You're looking for something else, right? Then maybe you can transform your daily walks or commute into English Scavenger Hunts. You're asking how, right? Set a specific category or theme for yourself every day, like colors, food, or anything that attracts your attention. Then challenge yourself to spot and identify English words in your environment. It's a fun way to link learning English to the world around you. This activity turns your surroundings into a classroom, making learning English part of your everyday life. Next technique is quite useful and I want to introduce you to your secret English learning friend, which is the mirror. Yes, mirror, this. Just stand in front of a mirror and have a conversation with your reflection in English. It may sound crazy, but it will definitely help you. Yes? Discuss your thoughts, share your feelings, even respond to job interview questions. It's an excellent way to boost your self-confidence in speaking. You may ask why. It's your comfortable and private zone. You can speak English. You can make as many mistakes as you want without feeling scared or embarrassed. And the result is improving your self-confidence and speaking skills. Another creative way to connect English to your daily life is to transform your day into a visual storyboard. The typical question, but how? Use a journal or a digital app to create a visual presentation of your daily life. Add English labels, bubbles, captions to describe each moment of your daily life. This technique combines artistic expressions with learning English, making it more enjoyable, engaging, and even more memorable. Are you interested in food and eating? Unleash your inner foodie and learn English by eating. Choose a different English recipe every day and challenge yourself to cook it. As you follow the recipe instructions and explore new ingredients, you'll absorb new vocabulary. This approach helps you enjoy cooking and trying new food. It can also make your English learning journey more delightful. Do you like to expand your cultural understanding and expose yourself to different English accents and dialects? If yes, then you must go on a virtual English expedition. Select a different English speaking country every day and immerse yourself in its culture, history, and language. Watch documentaries, explore virtual museums, or read travel blogs. In this way, you'll experience the richness of English from around the world. And my final tip is to take a mindful English pause every day. Set aside a few moments for meditation or deep breathing exercises, of course, conducted in English. This practice not only enhances your vocabulary, but also provides a mental space for English reflection. Since English learning can be a stressful experience for some of you, this method fosters a sense of calm and well-being. Thank you very much for watching this video till the end. If you found these techniques inspiring, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep learning and studying English. See you soon.